In this video, I'll show you how to buy BNB on Binance app. This video is only for educational purpose only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you. Now at first, you need to open up your Binance. This is the interface that's going to come out. So what you need to do, you need to at first have some funds in your Binance, like $10, $20, for you to be able to buy BNB on your Binance. Now what you need to do, you need to click on this trade. You need to click on convert. So what you need to do, let's say if you have $10 worth in USDT and you love to buy and you love to buy BNB, just come on here. USDT should be at the top, right? So BNB should be on the down. So you come on here and enter the amount of BNB you want to buy. If it's $10, just enter $10. So what you want to do, you want to click on this, right? So it's going to come on here and convert. So the reason why I wasn't able to buy BNB is because I don't have, I think, sufficient balance here. So but if you have BNB, you can be able to come on here and buy BNB with your USDT here on Binance. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.